Hello, today we are reviewing the famous TRUSTECH space heater. It's from a brand that makes fantastic heaters. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. You get a remote, screws, and your manual. The screws you will need, and we'll show you guys why. Okay, to put these together, you just simply align the holes in with the brackets and you slide it down over top. And then you take the power cable and you put it through the hole. So you're gonna slide it from underneath. Oh, actually no, it looks like, okay, so this one they designed a little differently. So you actually don't put it through the hole. You have this little slot that the power cable goes through. Thread this piece off, and we're gonna place this like that. And then we're gonna put this piece on. Tilt it upside down and go ahead and thread this piece right back on it. And then you guys can put the screws through here and over there that they provide you with. Once done, this is what it's going to look like. Make sure you remove this white warning label. You guys can see the top here, all your settings. Turn it on. You're going to have your display right on here. Your flame right there, which is really cool. So in the dark, it's going to look even cooler. You have your mode, low, eco, and high. You can adjust your temperature settings on here, what you want. It can oscillate, as you can see. And again, you can turn your flame on and off, timer on and off, and all of that fun stuff. Overall, really nice little space heater. It gives you a little countdown, so when you turn it off, there's a countdown, which is pretty cool, letting you know that it's going to be turning off soon. Overall, very, very nice.